History in the making.
As soon as I heard him, I felt the aura.
This is indeed history in the making.
Is everybody ready? Make some noise! 3, 2, 1!
It was a whole new experience with me, so like, I really loved the whole entire thing.
I felt I really didn't know he was real for a second, but I seen his eyes were blue, I was shocked. Saw him that he made my dreams come true in my future.
I learned that anything that you do is up to you and it's not up to anybody else but you. So I felt very inspired. It made me want to believe in more that I have within myself and what I want to do for a living in the future.
This is truly history in the making.
This is true history in the making.
But now, you are the world's very first superhero, motivational speaker. Show me your fear! Show me your fear! Show me your fear! Now that's a cliffhanger. Somebody contact Marvel and tell them to cut him a split. Now that's amazing.